how to import custom fonts in Capcut. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to import custom fonts in Capcut. Alright, so let's begin. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is open up your preferred browser and go to dafont.com, and you're going to find the bunch of free fonts on here. And then you can simply select the one that you want to use in your CapCut edits. I am going to go for this font. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to download this font. And then over here you can see it downloads as a zip file. Simply click on that and then it's going to open itself. And then it's going to be in your downloads. Now what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to put that font into our fonts folder in our CapCut's user library. So copy the downloaded font and go to your CapCut font library. Here just paste that font and you're good to go. Downloaded font is now in our fonts library folder and we can close out of this. And then what we're going to do is we're going to open up CapCut. Now if you have your CapCut already open and while you're downloading the new font, you're going to have to close it and start it again. Otherwise it will not work. So once you restart it, the new font will be available in there. So just drag any title into the timeline and go to here title and search here for your downloaded font. And that's it. So that's basically how you can import custom fonts in CapCut. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.